Welcome to Advanced ETL Processor Online Tutorial. Today we will be talking about working with data writer, and we will be using text files as an example. We are constantly working on improving our ETL software. Most likely the version you have now may have more functions. This tutorial demonstrates the basic principles. Once you understand them, you will be able to work with any version. Okay. Let us start by reformatting the fields. Click plus to add a new column to the end. Click the cross to delete the last column. Taking field names from the specific file lines. While working with very wide files, formatting the output fields can take a lot of time. This feature is extremely useful for very wide fixed-width files. It is also possible to paste the definition from Excel. Another way to save time is to reformat multiple fields at the same time. Inserting field in the middle. Deleting field in the middle. It is also possible to rename fields and amend width. Another useful feature is the ability to open files directly from the application. It is also possible to copy data definition from the reader. Thank you for your time. Please visit our website for more information.